Miss Ayu. My name is Muhammad Fathir. I am 6th grade. Today I will explain how to make hot chocolate milk. I will introduce the ingredients. The ingredients are milk, cocoa powder, and sugar. For the equipment are pan, whisk, glass, and bowl. First, put the milk in the pan. Then, heat it with low temperature. Then, put the cocoa powder in the bowl of 2 teaspoons. Then, put 2 teaspoons to the bowl. I use the big one. 1 big teaspoon. Then put 3 milk, hot milk. Then we whisk it to be creamy texture. It's been creamy texture now. Then drop it to the here. I want some of these. Then we start to mix them up. Now it looks gonna tasty. Okay, it's done now, guys. Now we just need to put it in my glass, steady and slowly slide tea. Well, let's gonna taste it. Cling. Delicious. Do you want some? You can try what I do. I will see you to the other video. Bye bye.